Hey, happy Sunday morning. Look what I got. I got Trailblazer Tim with me today. We're going to go out to one of my old favorite places on the Bull Creek Wildlife Management Area. And we're going to do a joint breakfast challenge. And it's going to be good, right?
Absolutely. I'm hungry.
Got it. You got it. Man, I'm hungry too. It is spring gobbler season, so we may see some hunters. And we already saw a couple of turkeys run off from in front of us, which is pretty cool. So we're going to go to the campsite, and then I'll check back with you then.
Something in the water that's calling my name.
Woohoo! It was a little on the hot side. Yeah, hold on. Let's film that. Let's get this going first.
All right, so me and Timbo out at the camping area, and as you can see, we have a nice little fire going. It's nice and brisk this morning. Ah, that's good to have a nice little fire. Oh yeah, buddy. That's going to be getting some good coals over there. Tim got this nice little stove from Walmart yesterday. Tim, what kind of stove is this?
This actually came from Academy Sports. This is a Esbit.
Oh, nice.
Alright, and it's a solid fuel burning stove with a matching cup on top, and we're going to get some water boiling.
Oh, that's cool. It's got a little rack, so you put one little Esbit cube in there.
And we're going to get some
Look
water
at
boiling
that.
for some coffee.
How much you pay for that?
I think it costs right around $20. Comes with a lid and everything.
Oh, that ain't bad.
And just like a traditional canteen cup would have, it's got the little handles that come out.
Oh, nice. And it's got the graduated measuring things on the side. Little pour spout on there.
And this sucker's getting hot, so let's get some coffee going.
All right, we're going to get some coffee going. All right, I got my Condor bottle pouch rig today, which is really, really cool. I really like this rig. So what's cool about it is this has got the whole Stanley Adventure Series right in here, which is what I'm going to fire up, and I'm going to get me some coffee fired up on my little pocket rocket stove. So I'll be right back. All right, now and this is cold water too. Now, remember, the lid from the Stanley Adventure Series fits right on the Glacier cup. Oh, it's coffee time, buddy.
Alright, so I'm actually going to do a second stove here. We got the Esbit that has a solid fuel cell on here. I'm going to be boiling some water for some coffee. And I picked up a Peak 1 little micro propane burner from Coleman. And we're going to stick it on the alcohol, propane. We're going to see how this thing works. We're going to use this for cooking some food, so stick around. Alright, so we got the Spam on here. It's diced up. I got it on the Peak 1 Coleman. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper for flavor. It's going nice. Look over here, I got water boiling up for some grits. We'll be back. Once this gets hot enough, I'm gonna throw some eggs on it.
All right, me and Tim got it going. I'm cooking up some coffee over there. Look at, look at Tim. Man, he bought the whole box. That's awesome. He's got the second, what's that, the Coleman?
This is Coleman Peak 1.
The Peak 1 Coleman from Walmart. What'd you have to give for that?
That was about 20 bucks as well.
That's not bad.
With the fuel.
We got eggs, we got coffee, we got all country gravy. Oh man, look at all the grits.
Butter grits.
Grits. They instant grits, but that's all right. Spam, I got some spam as well. So we're gonna get rolling. This is gonna be awesome. All right, it's been about 3 minutes. Let's check the status. Ooh. Ooh, that's starting to boil. Pretty soon, we're gonna have coffee. I got a couple of sleeves of our wonderful cowboy coffee, and just to prove that I'm not a total savage, Coffee Mate Vanilla Creamer. So, you gotta be civilized sometime. Ooh, that didn't take very long. Yeah, all right.
Yeah, I think I about got hot enough water for coffee.
Oh yeah. Get this. How do you get this shit open?
Yeah, just tear the end. There you go. I'm pouring coffee. Camp coffee.
Oh man. Oh dude. This saved my life. I was drinking a little last night too, so.
Just a little bit.
That's all right, man. That's all right. We're getting ready for omelets now. We gotta get some coffee first, though.
Half a cup of boiling water.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna boil up 1 cup of water in the Stanley Adventure Series. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And get some oatmeal cracking. All right, when we get our oatmeal cooked, then I got a couple of eggs, and you can't be without Spam. You just can't. So I am gonna make a little Spam and a little Spam omelet. So you know what we forgot? Forgot the cheese.
We got the Parmesan.
Oh, we got Parmesan. All right, that's all right. So it's cheese. It says it on the label. So, and we're out in the middle of the woods. That's right. Whew. All right, we got a really good boil going on there. So we're just gonna cut that off. That down there. Get that up there. Oh yeah. Do some oatmeal and this is that brown sugar cinnamon shit, which is awesome. Maple and brown sugar. Yeah.
That was a good cup of coffee.
Ooh. I'm still working on mine.
That was a good cup of coffee.
Now we're gonna stir up this oatmeal. Then I'm gonna cover it. That's going to the side. Now, man, that's good. We've got our Spam all cubed up over there, and we are getting ready to do some omelets. All right, here we go. Got 1 Mr. Eggy. How's the gravy going?
That's last.
Ah, oops. All right, now. All right. This one going. I don't know how this omelet is going to be, but you know, how bad could it be? All right. Got that idea. Oh yeah.
All right, so we got the Spam on here. It's diced up. I got it on the Peak 1 Coleman.
Oh yeah.
A little bit of pepper, flavor,
Yeah.
going nice.
All right.
Look over here, I got water boiling up for some grits. Move it back.
Yep.
It's hot enough. I'm gonna throw some eggs.
Oh
in.
yeah. All right. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to hold it, but I don't really care.
Look at this little setup.
All right. So this is turning into scrambled eggs. So, which is okay. I like scrambled eggs. Two eggs scrambled. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw in a copious amount of Spam. All right. Cubed up, perfectly cubed. Too hot. All right. Look at that. Fit for a king.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, man. Timbo's is pining over his Spam over there.
Put a little bit of pepper on there, like so.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then we're gonna throw a lid over top of that. This shouldn't take very long.
So
Now we're getting ready to put some grits together with that boiling water.
I got. Let's check out our oatmeal. Ooh, man. All right. Woo. Wow, that made a ton. Scrambled eggs and Spam and maple and brown sugar oatmeal. Whew. And cowboy coffee. What a day on Sunday morning. All right, Tim, what do you get going over here?
I got a mess happening on the table. I dumped my grits.
Yeah, look, he dumped the grits on the table.
It's a
Foul.
That's a party foul.
That's a foul.
That's okay. We'll get it cleaned up. Stuff.
All right, Tim got some, what, cheese grits or butter grits?
Butter grits.
Ooh, butter grits. And,
Yeah.
ooh, Timbo's cooking a Spam and egg omelet? Jeez. I don't know, man. All right, so Tim got a Spam and egg omelet with butter grits, and I got scrambled eggs and Spam with maple and brown sugar oatmeal. So, I don't know. You guys be the judge. Here's my finished product, and we're going to see Tim's finished product in a minute. All right, Tim is whisking up some gravy?
Country gravy.
Country gravy. I don't know, man. Here's mine. Here's Tim so far. I don't know. Here's an omelet. All right, that looks a little rare. All right, country gravy. The country gravy is getting mixed up. So, we got to put it in that water?
Yeah. That's
Okay.
good. That's going to come to a boil, and then we're going to empty that in there for about a minute until it thickens, and it's time to rock and roll.
All right, we'll be right back. We'll be right back to judge the contest. Remember, this is a viewer opinion poll. Who wins, Matt or Trailblazer Tim? So we'll be back. All right, we're coming up on it. We're coming up on it. That's going to be gravy. That's mine. Some gravy's going to go over there. Tim will got omelet. Then we're almost ready for the contest. All right, the gravy is going in. Are you sure you're supposed to put it in there and when the water?
Is it supposed to
I
pre-mix?
don't know, man. I'm not sure that's what the directions say.
That's it. We'll clean that
So
up.
now you just gotta mix that up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Don't taste too bad.
And let's not grab it from the handle and dump it like we did earlier.
Yeah, I grabbed it by the little handle and I dumped the water out. So
Just like what I did with my grits.
yeah, the grits are still all over the table. Except I didn't do a grit foul.
That was me.
All right. The gravy's gonna thicken up, then we're ready. All right, here we go. Now we're ready. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without some hot sauce. I don't got my Cristal with me, but I got Tabasco, courtesy of Tim. Now, put just a dash All right, now you got we got Parmesan. This is awesome. All right, okay, here we go. Now we're ready. In the left corner, we have Trailblazer Tim with a Spam and egg omelet, 2-egg Spam and egg omelet with country gravy and butter grits, right? All right. In the right-hand corner, we got the old Florida boy with maple and brown sugar oatmeal and Spam scrambled eggs with country gravy and hot sauce. So, who wins? I'm taking a poll.
Ready to eat.
We are ready to eat. All right, here we go. Taste test.
Here's to you. Sunday morning in the woods.
All right, let's see. Oh, dude, that's better than being at home.
That gravy's a nice compliment.
Man, the hot sauce is too.
Look at that.
Oh,
Spam omelet.
I just got Spam scrambled eggs. Which are awesome. Well,
So good.
I think Tim got me on this one with the omelet. The omelet went over the top, and he did it in his little tiny omelet pan, which is cool.
That looks really good, that brown sugar.
Dude, try some.
Give it a hack.
That's awesome. All right, so let the viewers be the judge. Who wins? The 2-egg Spam omelet with country gravy and butter grits, or the 2-egg scrambled with Spam and the maple and brown sugar oatmeal? So,
Yummy.
you be the judge.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right, boy, Tim, that turned out awesome. Oh man, we are stuffed. So we're just going to run down a few of the things that we used. Tim, what's that? That's the Coleman stove.
It's the Coleman Peak 1 burner. Pick it up at Walmart if you need to, or Bass Pro Shops or whatever.
Okay.
About $25 for this entire setup right here.
Nice. What's next? The Esbit?
This is the Esbit, which is a solid fuel burning little stove. It's nice. It has measurements. It's actually engineered in Germany.
That's a cool little kit. I might have to pick one of those up.
Little spot right there just for the solid cell.
Nice.
And it's easy to pack away. When you're done, you just put everything back in there and fold up the handles, and it actually comes with a little carry case to put everything back together with.
Oh, cool.
And don't forget, if you're doing omelets in the woods, a little onesie works perfect.
The little onesie you get at like Walmart or something, the little omelet pans.
Yeah, $3.
I got my little cheap knockoff rocket stove, which worked awesome. I used it in conjunction with the Stanley Adventure Series pot and just a regular old glacier mug. And I'm always never without my dollar store cutlery set. So this worked out pretty good, buddy. I mean,
I'm full.
I am stuffed. The fire's almost burned out. We're going to take a little walk back in the swamp, and then we're going to get out of here. So let me know what you think. Let me know who you think won on our breakfast cook-off challenge. Was it me? Or was it Tim? I don't know. I think he got me with the omelet. So, once again, in the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see some suggested videos. In the right-hand corner, you're going to see my subscription box. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, this is Matt, the old Florida boy, saying, I will see you from the trail.